Here I have POCO C50, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So firstly, what you have to do is to turn your device off by holding down power key, and after it turns off completely, what you have to do is to hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after the screen turns on and device vibrates, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up. Just like this. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select the last option, safe mode. And as you can see, the sign here says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. So if you want to quit this mode, what you have to do is to just restart your device, and it will be restarted as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.